Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Twitter today. This was a stock I haven't really traded this stock or been in it for a long time, but it was the subject of much banter today in our trading forum. And so I took a look at it and thought, well, I'll mention it to everybody on the free chart list. Look, the stock's trading sideways right around the 8-day exponential moving average. Bollinger Bands are actually pretty tight. This is really a stock that's kind of technically in a squeeze here, right there, like this. So this is the way I'm looking at the stock. So it's just breaking out, and frankly, on a day, and the volume was pretty good, but on a day where the NASDAQ was, this is still okay in a trading range, but it's kind of weak. Not a lot of stocks were working well, and we got a pretty significant sell-off into the end of the day. If you want to look at Tesla, I don't know what happened there on Tesla. Let me get rid of this. There. If you want to look at Tesla, you'll see where the stock was kind of trading lower here. Apple, same deal. Amazon, same deal. So we're getting a lot of selling into the close, and then, lo and behold, here's Twitter working pretty well. But of course, even Twitter sold off into the end of the day. But the stock is still working. So this is what I would do. If the stock were to pull back to around 38, I think you'd have to give that a real hard look to buy, because over the past several weeks, the stock's been trading right around the 8-day moving average. So anywhere around 38 is a good place. It's kind of where you need to be. If the stock crosses, I'm not really sure I'd even wait for it to run above the high here of 39.50. I would say if the stock starts trading above 39, you could take a small position, just small. And the reason is because there is that pesky 39.50. And if the stock comes up a bit and then starts moving down, you've got a larger position on it. It's just kind of more difficult to manage, at least it is for me. If I have a big position on and then a stock starts reversing, and not a lot, but I kind of thought it was going to go in the other direction, what do? Do I go ahead and sell it all, or do I just hang on, or whatever? So, I always like to start small and then add to it. So if the stock runs up a bit, then you go ahead and take it. But it really needs to clear this 39.50 pretty quick, because if it doesn't, then I really think the stock's still just kind of in congestion. I like the way it traded today, though, relative to the rest of the market. So anyway, that's all I got for you today. I hope you all had a good day and that tomorrow's even better.